Hoopla recipes!
Hello everyone and welcome to Hoopla Kids Recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to make some amazing autumn tree cupcake toppers. Don't these look absolutely fantastic? They're so bright and colourful and super easy to make. First up, I have some dark chocolate and I'm going to melt that in the microwave. Now we're going to pipe the dark chocolate onto some baking paper in the shape of a tree. You can make the tree whatever type of tree you want. I'm now adding some rainbow confetti sprinkles on top of this one. And on this one, I'm adding some autumn leaf sprinkles. Perfect. Let them set in the fridge. Now I have a red velvet cupcake, and I'm adding some green buttercream frosting to the top. I'm dipping it in autumn leaf sprinkles. Great. Once that's done, you can insert your chocolate tree cake topper. Perfect! Doesn't that look pretty? So let's make another style. I once again have a red velvet cupcake and I'm icing it with green. I have some rainbow confetti sprinkles that I'm adding to the top of the green icing, and then I'm going to insert my chocolate tree. Looking good! A second design for an awesome autumn tree cupcake topper. Let's do the third. This time I have, once again, a red velvet cupcake, but I'm topping it with buttercream frosting. This is going to make it look slightly different, but I'm still going to insert my chocolate tree and then we're done. Looking good. So there you have it, 3 different autumn tree cupcake toppers. They look fantastic. And wasn't that easy? Today I'm going to show you how to make some Thanksgiving cake pops. And don't these look amazing? So let's start with the turkey cake pop. I have some red velvet cake crumbs and I'm adding some buttercream frosting to them. I'm going to mix it up and this is going to become the base of our cake pop. So get your hands dirty and make it into a ball. Great! We want to repeat this for as many cake pops as you want to make. You can make your cake pops as big or as small as you like. Get creative! Now I'm going to take a cake pop stick with a tiny bit of frosting on the end. I'm going to insert it into the cake pop balls. Perfect. Now I have some milk chocolate and I'm going to melt that in the microwave. Next, I'm going to cover the cake pop in the chocolate. I have some candy corns that I'm using for features and 2 white candies for eyes. This is how we make our turkey. I also have 2 sweets for legs. Let that all dry and I'm using an edible marker pen to add some detail for the eyes. I also have some orange icing for the beak. I'm using brown writing icing for the wings. And then I have some red icing for the wattle. That's the little dangly bit. And there you have it, a turkey cake pop. So next up, let's make some acorn cake pops. I'm going to make some more cake pops and then I'm going to cover them in chocolate, exactly the same as we did for our turkey cake pops. Perfect. Set that aside, and I'm using some orange fondant to make the leaf for the top of our acorn. Roll it out flat and then take a leaf cutter to cut a perfect leaf shape. I'm going to create detail using a fondant tool. Just like so. Now I'm adding some texture with some concentrated brown food dye. This is going to make our leaf look super real. Next up I have some light brown fondant icing and I'm rolling that flat and cutting out some circles using the end of a piping nozzle. I'm using a fondant tool to once again add some detail, as well as a hole in the middle. Let's use some brown food dye as glue, and then let's add the light brown fondant piece on top. Once again, I'm using some brown food dye to add texture to the top of our acorn. Finally, I'm adding some brown food dye again as glue and adding the leaf on. Perfect! Doesn't that look amazing? And there you have it, some acorn cake pops. Put them next to your turkey cake pops and you've got a perfect Thanksgiving cake pop extraordinaire. Today I'm going to show you how to make some Thanksgiving cupcake toppers. Don't these look super fun? First up, we're starting with an acorn cupcake. These look amazing. So I have some light brown fondant for the acorn. I'm going to shape it into an acorn shape. I'm making 2 of these. Next, I'm getting some dark brown fondant for the top of the acorn. Shape it and attach it to the top of the light brown fondant. Perfect! I'm using a knife to add some detail. This will make it look realistic. Now I have some yellow fondant icing for the leaves. Remember to lightly dust your work surface so that the fondant doesn't stick. I have a leaf cutter that I'm using to cut out the leaves. I'm using a knife to add some detail. You can shape the leaves by hand. This will make them look more realistic. I have 3 leaves. I'm now using some more fondant to create larger leaves. I'm using my knife to cut out this shape, and I'm doing it freehand. Looking good! Once again, shape them using your hands. And score them using your knife. Perfect! Use a tiny bit of brown food dye to add some texture and make them look real. Now let's assemble. I have a cupcake and I'm adding some buttercream frosting to the top. I'm then lightly dusting with some icing sugar. We need to assemble the cake, so I'm taking the big leaf and adding that first. Add your second leaf. This creates a nice base. Next up, let's add the smaller leaves. This is looking super cute already. Now we need to add our acorns. Doesn't that look amazing? A Thanksgiving acorn cupcake. Super cute. So now let's make our turkey. I'm going to start with some brown fondant and I'm lightly dusting the work surface and rolling the fondant out. Next, I'm using a cookie cutter to get the tail shape. Perfect. We need to cut off one side, just like so. And then we're going to use the cookie cutter to create a ridge. Don't cut through the fondant though, this is just for decoration. Now use your knife to score the turkey shape. I have some red food dye and I'm colouring in part of the tail, just like so. I also have some silver food dye that I'm using at the tip of the feathers. Now I have some brown fondant that I'm going to use to make the turkey's head. I have some yellow fondant for a beak. And some red fondant for the wattle. Once you've shaped your fondant, it's time to assemble. I have some edible eyes and I'm sticking these on. These are super cute. Perfect. Now we've got the eyes, let's use some black fondant icing as glue and add the beak. And finally, the wattle. Looking great. Next up, we're going to take some more brown fondant and roll it flat. I'm using a circle cookie cutter to create the base of the cupcake topper. We're going to attach this to the cupcake using some buttercream icing as glue. Cover the top of the cupcake and put the fondant on top. Now let's use the black icing as glue to attach the head. Hilarious! He looks so fantastic! Now we have some cocktail sticks as support and we can simply lay the feathers on top. Perfect! There you have it, a Thanksgiving cupcake topper that's a turkey! Great! Today I'm going to show you how to make some Thanksgiving Rice Krispie desserts. Don't these look amazing? So let's get started. 300 grams of marshmallows, 4 tablespoons of butter, and I'm melting it all in the microwave. I'm going to add this to 6 cups of Rice Krispies. This is going to get super sticky. It's where it gets really fun. So mix it all together. Now we need to mold our turkey drumstick. Use your hands and mold a drumstick shape. Perfect. Now we want to chill that in the fridge. I'm taking some brown food dye to add colouring to the top half. And there you have it. An amazing Thanksgiving dessert using Rice Krispies. This one's a turkey drumstick. Now let's make some mini turkeys. I've taken a baking tray and I'm adding baking paper to the bottom of it. I'm also adding some more of our Rice Krispie mix. Spread it down right to the edge and let that chill in the fridge. Now we can use a cookie cutter to cut some circles out of the Rice Krispie mixture. Perfect. We want to peel away the excess Rice Krispies. Now we have 4 circles. I'm adding a chocolate button to the top using buttercream frosting as glue. Next I have some candy corns. These are going to be the feathers of our turkey. Again, use some buttercream frosting and glue them on. I have half a Smartie and some edible eyes, and this is going to create the beak and the eyes. And there we have it, a turkey Rice Krispie treat. Now let's make pumpkin pie. I have a round cake tin and I'm adding our Rice Krispie mixture to the cake tin. I'm using my fingers to bring the edge up. Now I'm going to take the remaining Rice Krispie mixture and I'm going to colour it orange. Give it a good mix. We want orange Rice Krispies. This is going to be our pumpkin filling. Perfect. Now we have that, let's add that to our pie base. Press it down. And let it chill. You can turn it over and now we're going to use some buttercream frosting to add some stars. This is just for decoration. Now what you need to do is cut it like you would a normal pie. And there you have it, a slice of Rice Krispie pumpkin pie cake. Perfect! So there are some amazing Thanksgiving desserts using only Rice Krispies.
subscribe and watch more. Hoopla recipes.